share the pain of the people of Manipur. It is a horrible tragedy that has taken place. Very extremely sad and painful for all the people of Manipur and all the people of India as well. I went to the camps, met people from all communities. One of the things I would say to the government is that the basic amenities in the camps, they need to be improved. Food needs to be improved. Medicines need to be supplied. That complaint has come from the camps. And I would appeal to everybody in Manipur that we need peace. Peace is the most important thing. And my strong appeal to everyone that violence will not get anything for anybody. Peace is the way forward, and everybody should now talk about peace and start moving towards peace. Thank you.
Sir, do you
please don't interrupt me. I'm here to help in any way I can to bring peace to the state. I love all the people of Manipur. And once again, this is a terrible tragedy. And we need to